What's up guys? I'm back with another video. So, if you've watched my last vid, you'll know that I got a new phone. But if you didn't, what are you doing? Watch it. Anyways, with that being said, I'm now going to organize my phone, and you're going to watch it. Hehehehe. So just like any other new phone, the home screen is pretty boring and not my taste. Because of that, I'll have to change it. My eyes are not really satisfied. So let's go to Pinterest and try to find some aesthetic photos for widgets or a wallpaper. I don't want to be emo, but I like red, so hahaha, I don't know. What's your favorite color though? Let me know in the comments. The way the aesthetic drastically changed to this. I just want a cat on my widget to make my day, okay? That should be enough Pinterest downloads, hehe. Now let's go to the theme store and download a theme so that we can have cute icons, hehe. Of course I'm getting a free one. Yo girly is broke. This one is okay, hehe. Just gotta change that wallpaper and add widgets. Just organizing right now, hehe. Let's add a calendar even though I don't got no events and stuff to get reminded of. Girl, make up your mind. Okay, I like it so far. Let's try another wallpaper though. Maybe a more pinkish one. I'm done. Weehehehe, I finalized my wallpaper and stuff off camera. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. Let me show y'all the results. First we have Hanny here and a widget of a ribbon tattoo. Apps I don't use go here too. Next page we have a bunch of kisses and apps that I use the most. Next page is probably the most useless. But hey, the icons are so cute here. Next page is where the cat widget is. I like this cause it just the Chrome Dino game. Now the last page. Jungkook is here, so 10 out of 10. What do you guys think though? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Like and sub. Bye bye.